Alright, so this video was originally supposed to be a demonstration of the Commodore 1541 disk drive. However, after plugging it into the computer, I discovered that it is completely unusable. And I'm hoping that after explaining why it's unusable and demonstrating why it's unusable, that someone can help point me in the right direction. So, first off, quick update. I did replace the fuse that blew in the VIC-20. Obviously, it works. That was the only issue. That was the reason why it would not turn on. So I got the new fuse in there. It works great. Also, something else that looks great, composite video. Ooh, that's right, no more RF. Composite. Beautiful, crisp, clear picture on that. Gotta love it. So, back to the 1541. Let's go ahead. We're gonna turn this off. And I am just gonna plug this right in to the computer now. There we go. Okay. Turn it back on. Black screen. Okay. But what happens, you may be thinking, if I plug it in when the computer's already on? Does it work then? The answer is no. It freezes. And if I turn it on, it does this. It will literally just sit there and spin forever until I turn it off. So, needless to say, that is quite the bummer. I may be able to fix it. I need to buy a multimeter, and that's not really something that's a priority necessarily right now. So might be a little bit on that. At least I can still use the VIC-20 with improved picture quality, but yeah, bit disappointed. I don't think it's a drive issue. I think it may be an issue inside the computer with one of the chips. Luckily, that chip is socketed, so I don't need any soldering equipment to replace that. And I think the chip is relatively inexpensive as well. If it is a drive issue, honestly, I have no idea what to expect. And you know, if anybody who has fixed this issue before or is really familiar with Commodore computers and or disk drives, please help point me in the right direction. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, well, I think that about wraps things up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, I guess. And yeah, have a good day.